In this video, I'll show you how to connect a VCR to your Samsung Smart TV. The easiest, I think, it's definitely using a coaxial cable like this one. So here we are on the back of the VCR and you see there's two coaxial ports. We need to connect our cable where it says TV out. If you never connected one of these coaxial cable, it's very easy. First of all, you just shove it in. And then you have to rotate the end here towards the right side, this way. It may take many turns until you feel that it's fully secured. Now let's take the other end of this coaxial cable and connect it to the back of the TV, where the antenna should go. Here it is. And do the same thing. Make sure that it's fully secured. Turn on the VCR. Turn on the TV as well. So your VCR will send the picture on channel 3. You see, this is what the VCR is now sending. Now, if you do not have channel 3 programmed on your TV, you need to do a channel scan. So the TV will scan every single channels that are broadcasting any picture and will include the channel 3 in the list of channels that is available. Now, depending on which model you have, you may have to go into the settings to do this. But overall, you are done. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.